Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Smart Relative Strength Indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Smart Relative Strength Indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 38 different strategies, with 11 of them being winners. We've also tested a total of 463 indicators, with 192 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we do test these indicators across the Forex market and the strategies, but they can be used universally across just about any market you want to. So Forex, regular stock market, whatever you want to apply them to, not just Forex. All right, so today's indicator is the Smart Relative Strength Indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. I did go in and make a few changes. So I changed the color to green, and I changed from histogram to columns, and so it makes it a little bit more pronounced here, standing out. And the setup on this is pretty easy. It's a zero line cross indicator, and so like most of them that we have tested, we are looking for that cross either to the upside and we will go long, or the cross to the downside and then we will go short. And so that's how we will be testing it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get. So you see our first signal right here that we got was a long signal there, and pretty much immediately we get a switch back to a short signal. Takes a minute for price action to actually follow along with that signal. The first one definitely gets us stopped out. Looks like the second one stays barely within our stop and then is able to roll over and actually take that plunge to the downside, getting us to take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so you can see that right here we pick up another short signal. We run sideways for a little bit there before we get this little drop to the downside, which does then get us to take profit. Over here on this side though, when we pick up this short signal right here on this one, it's right as price is spiking up pretty hard there. And so unfortunately that one does get us stopped out. And then we pick up this long signal right here for just a moment, excuse me. And that one, let's double check that one because we might have, yeah, we did. So we actually stayed within our stop on that one. We would have still been in this one as we picked up these long signals right there. Let's see where we got to take profit. Looks like right there on that one. And so this one right here would have been a valid kind of continuation. And so what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post almost everyday market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see, and the patrons love being able to follow along with those trades in their own accounts. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, which we just recently converted over to an Excel sheet as well. And so you'll get access to the PDF and to the Excel sheet of all the strategies, showing exactly which ones were winners, which ones are losers, and their win rates. You also get access to the Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. Shows which ones were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those strategy videos. Our admin Rob is posting almost everyday scanner alerts. These are crypto and Forex scanners, his own personal scanners that he uses to be a profitable trader. As he gets an alert to the scanner, he will post it in the channel for all of the patrons to see and for them to be able to take advantage of those trading opportunities. And another new thing that we've been doing is one of our members has put together an amazing team of traders, coders, and developers. And together they have created a full suite of optimized, profitable indicators that they are giving away to all of our patrons for free. And they're actually in the process right now of working on turning them into bots. And once that is done, they will offer those to the patrons as well. And so there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's take a look at what we got out of this indicator here. There to there. Let's count these out and see what we got. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So we have 20 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 winning trades. And so unfortunately, that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. Not a horrible indicator, but like many of the zero line cross indicators kind of had the same problem as the rest of them. And that's similar to using a single oscillating line like a moving average or something along those lines that interacts with a price action. And it's that there's just no buffer. There's just no room for these small little glitches, especially when you hit areas of consolidation where the indicator will bounce back and forth across that line, almost bar after bar after bar, kind of consecutively in a row. And that eats up a lot of the winning trades. And so if we'd have taken out a few of these clusters of these losing trades because of that reason, then this would have met the 60% criteria. And so if there was some kind of buffer or some kind of middle ground here that it had to breach that area before we took a trade on it, then it would have made this a far better indicator. But unfortunately, wasn't set up like that. So for now, it is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.